Maximize your Astro A30 headset experience by connecting it to Logitech G Hub. Begin by powering on your Astro A30 headset and connecting it to your computer for optimal performance. Utilize the provided USB-C wireless adapter, inserting it into an available USB port on your PC. If Logitech G Hub is not yet installed, download it from the official Logitech G website. After installation, launch the application. Logitech G Hub will automatically detect compatible Logitech G devices connected to your system. Please allow a brief moment for it to recognize your Astro A30 headset. Your Astro A30 headset should now be visible in the Logitech G Hub software. Click on the headset's icon to access its specific control panel. Within this panel, explore numerous customization options. Utilize the equalizer to tailor your audio, choosing from preset profiles or crafting your own custom EQs for distinct gaming and media experiences. Fine-tune your microphone volume, experiment with Sidetone settings to hear your own voice in-game, and explore additional audio enhancements to improve your overall listening and communication quality. You have the ability to create and save multiple profiles for various situations, allowing for seamless switching to suit your current gaming requirements. With your Astro A30 headset now linked and configured, enjoy superior audio control.